Good morning, grade 2. So today we are starting regrouping with subtraction. So you guys have been working on addition, and now this week we are working on subtraction. So just as a reminder, we're going to take a look at how we break up this number into tens and ones. So 43 is the same as 4 tens and 3 ones. So it's the same as 10, 10, 10, 10, 1, 1, 1. So it's the same as 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So if we count it, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. Now, if we want to take away from that, we could take away 28. Now, I can't take 8 away from here because I only have 3. So what could I do? Well, I could take one of these tens away and bring it over here. So this 10 becomes 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now this 10 became those 10 ones. So now I have 10 plus 10 plus 10, plus all of these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the 3 that we had before. So this has now become this. We just moved them around. So now, can I take 8 away from here? So I can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 away. And so I've taken my 8 ones away, and now I need to take 2 tens away. And this is what I have left. So I have 1 10 plus 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So I have 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, which makes 15. So 43 minus 28 equals 15. So now let's look at the same thing, but in our tens and ones houses here. So if I had the number 54, so that's 5 tens and 4 ones makes 54, and I wanted to take away 38. So we know as our rule, we cannot take a bigger amount away from a smaller amount. Because if I only have 4 ones, can I take 8 away? There just isn't enough. So what you're going to do is you're going to borrow more ones from the tens place. So instead of it being 54, you're going to take one of those away. So that leaves 4 left. And you're going to put it over here. So 10 more ones, 10 plus 4 equals 14. So instead of 4 ones, I now have 14 ones over there. So let's just write it down here. so you can see it nice and clear. And I ended up with 4 tens left. And I'm taking away 38. So now I can do this because this is a bigger number than this. So I have 14 and I'm going to take 8 away. So grab 8, count up to 14. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that leaves me 6. And 4 take away 3 leaves me 1. So 54 minus 38 equals 16. So on page 62, this is just the first example it's showing you. So we have 1 10 and 5 ones. So I'll just put it here in our chart. So now what we want to do is trade in this 10 to give us more ones. So all you're going to do in the new chart is trade in one of these 10s and add it to the ones. So here's our only 10 we have there. So we're going to trade that in, take it away, and trade it in for 10 ones because 1 10 block is the same as 10 ones. So there's my 10 block into 10 ones. So now, do I have any 10s? I do not have any 10s there. I have a lot of ones. How many ones do I have? I have 15 ones. So on that first page, on page 62, that is all it's asking you to do, is trade in one of the 10s and put it into the ones, just to get used to doing that. Okay, so on page 63, it is asking you to trade a 10 for 10 ones, subtract, and check your answer by adding. So it is asking you to do 3 things. So here we have 54 minus 38. Now we know we can't do this because this is smaller, the 4 is smaller than the 8. So we need to come over here and take one of these 10s away and turn it into ones. So if I have 5 10s and 4 ones, I need to borrow one of these 10s. I'm going to take it away and replace it with 10 ones. So now I have 4 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4 10s, and 14 ones. Now I can do my subtracting. So 8 minus, so I have 14, I'm going to take away 8. That leaves me 6. I have 4 ones. I'm going to take away 3. That leaves me 1. 14, take away 8. That leaves me 6. 4, take away 3. That leaves me 1. So now I have 16. Now we're going to check by adding. So you're going to take your smaller number that you subtracted from. You're going to take your 2 small numbers. So you're going to take away, or you're going to add your answer and the smaller number in your question. So 38 plus 16. So I have 16 here. I'm going to add 38 to it. So I need 8 more ones and 3 more 10s. Now we know we can't keep this many ones in the ones house, in its room. So we're going to take these and turn 10 of them into one 10 frame. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'm going to take those away and replace it with 1 10. So now I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Am I right? Yes, all the way back. Did you get 54? Yeah, that's what we started with. Awesome.